Hey guys, today we have the brand new iPhone XX Max, and today we're going to show you how to unlock the network so you can use SIM cards from other service providers. Okay, so we're going to show you two different methods. So keep in mind this is not for a personal password or the iCloud, but this is to unlock the network. So whether you're traveling or you just want to change service providers, this is the method to use. Okay, so right now we're just going to show you what your iPhone looks like when the phone is still locked. Okay, because we get a lot of messages asking, oh, how do I know if my iPhone is locked or unlocked? And this is the way to tell. Okay, so we just got a unaccepted SIM card, a non-accepted SIM card, meaning that we got a SIM card that is not originally from this iPhone. This phone is originally from the AT&T network, and we've just inserted a SIM card from Rogers. Okay, Rogers is a Canadian network, and this phone is from AT&T, a USA network. Okay, so the message that will appear when your iPhone is still locked and needs to be unlocked is SIM not supported. So basically it's saying, your iPhone is saying, hey, the SIM card is not supported on this iPhone because it's still locked and you need to get it unlocked. See, so it's showing SIM not supported. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is find your phone's IMEI number, which is essentially your phone's unique serial number, and this will be required to unlock your phone's network. Okay, so make sure you get it from your phone, not the phone's box, because sometimes it's different. You don't want to unlock a phone that doesn't belong to you. Okay, so let's go to the dial pad and press star pound 06 pound. So star pound 06 pound. And this 15-digit number is your phone's IMEI number. Okay, this is required to unlock your phone's network. Now we're going to show you another way to find your phone's unique 15-digit IMEI number, and it's very easy. All you have to do is go to Settings, and then General, and then About Phone, and scroll all the way down, and you can see your 15-digit IMEI number displayed there as well. So the first method we're going to show you to unlock your iPhone is using the Cellunlocker SIM. This is probably the easiest way to unlock your phone, as all you need to do is place the Cellunlocker SIM on top of your existing SIM card, and your iPhone will act as an unlocked phone. Okay, so this is not a permanent factory unlock solution. However, it is a great alternative to get your phone unlocked, just in case factory unlocking or other methods are not available for your device. So we can unlock majority of iPhones using a factory unlock method, but just in case your carrier is not listed, this is the way to go, because it works for any carrier, including Verizon and Sprint, and any model is a go as well. Okay, so also another thing is the iPhone XX Max and XR, the SIM card slots are upside down now, so we do require to place a little bit of tape on it to hold it into place, whereas previously if you had the iPhone X, iPhone 8, you didn't need to put any tape. It just fit in perfectly, but with the new models like the iPhone XX Max and XR, once again, you just place a little bit of tape on the side to keep it in place, and you just pop it in your device. So we're going to include a link below on where to get the Cellunlocker SIM. So once you do insert it into your iPhone, there is one more step we need to do. We do need to input a special code, which is provided once you purchase the Cellunlocker SIM. And once you insert this code, your iPhone is good to go and will act as an unlocked phone. Okay, so there we go. Once again, we saw the SIM not supported, so the phone's not unlocked yet. And we're just gonna have to follow these instructions and input the code which coincides with the Cellunlocker SIM. Okay, so on the dial pad, we're gonna press star 5005 star 7672 star 99 pound and press dial, and it's going to ask for the 20-digit ICCID number. Okay, so this number is constantly changing, but it will be provided upon the purchase of a Cellunlocker SIM, or if you have one intact, then we will provide that to you as well. Okay, so you're just going to enter it, and it does vary from phone to phone, so you have to be specific with the ICCID number that we provide you with. Okay, so you're going to press enter. Okay, and you're going to go to the very bottom screen. Okay, and just click accept, and there you go. That should be it. Okay, so um, the point where you start realizing your iPhone is working is you press try again under SIM not supported, and normally it'll kind of go back to the same screen, but as you can see, we have signal bars appearing at the top, and it's asking you for the activation lock. Okay, so it's asking you to enter your Apple ID and password, which is a good sign. Now we're moving forward. Okay, so let's just enter that there, and let's proceed with entering your Apple ID and password. So one thing we just want to mention is that this method works with any status iPhone. So if it's blacklisted or unpaid bills, this works as well, but most likely you'll have to use it out of the country. Okay, so anyways, after you press activation unlock, it should take you to the home screen of your iPhone. Okay, there we go. And we just got a notification, so that's a good sign. And we just want to check that the iPhone is now using another carrier. So let's go to settings and about phone. Okay, so we're already in about here, so we just want to show you. Go to about, settings, and about. And as you can see under network, it's now showing Rogers. So once again, this was an AT&T phone, and we are successfully using a Rogers phone or Rogers SIM card on here. Okay, so let's do a test call here just to verify that the calling function is now working. Okay, so yeah, there it goes. It's now calling no problem, and your iPhone is now unlocked, and you can use it with the SIM card of your choice. The second method we're going to show you to unlock your iPhone is factory unlocking it. Okay, so let's go to www.Cellunlocker.net and let's insert the information as accurately as possible. So factory unlocking is probably the best method because your iPhone will remain permanently unlocked even after updating the firmware or switching SIM cards to this and that. Your iPhone will permanently remain unlocked. It's as if you purchased a unlocked iPhone from the Apple Store. Okay. However, there are different ways to get your phone factory unlocked. Here we're going to use Cellunlocker.net. You can try your service provider. However, there are many strict conditions you have to meet, and sometimes the customer support is unwilling to help you. But anyways, you can always try that. But in this scenario, we're going to use Cellunlocker.net. So let's just fill in the IMEI number. If you remember in the first part of the video, we showed you how to get the IMEI number. And you just press *#06#. And once again, don't get the IMEI number from your box because if it doesn't match your phone, then essentially you've unlocked someone else's phone. Okay, so the 15-digit IMEI number, press *#06# and just double check it. And once you do that, you're going to click continue to check out. All right, so after you continue to check out and you place your order, it depends on the model and the make. Different carriers and different models take different turnaround times. However, Cellunlocker is pretty good with the turnaround time. Their goal is always to get your phone unlocked as soon as possible. But however, in the instance where a factory unlock is not available for your iPhone, once again, the Cellunlocker SIM is a great alternative because essentially that one can unlock any carrier, any model. Okay, so just finish placing your order, and once you've done that, you will get an email confirmation. And after that, all you have to do is wait for your IMEI to finish processing, and you will receive an email. So once your order has finished processing, you will receive an email stating that the phone is unlocked, and it will have detailed instructions on how to proceed. Okay, but it's actually very simple for iPhones. It's not like conventional phones where you have to insert a code, but it's actually unlocked on the Apple backend. And once it's unlocked, it is permanently unlocked, and that's the status that it will show. Okay, so now that we got the message that our phone is now factory unlocked, what we're going to do is we're going to proceed and insert a non-accepted SIM card. So once again, that's a SIM card not originally from the phone. Okay, so this phone was originally from AT&T, and we inserted a Rogers SIM card, which is a Canadian company. Okay, so let's proceed to unlock the phone. Okay, so one good sign is normally when it's still locked, the SIM card will show, or the screen will show SIM not supported. Okay, so remember in the very beginning, we're showing you what it looked like when we initially put the Rogers SIM card in. Okay, but now, now that it's factory unlocked, it is not showing that message anymore. Okay, so let's just wait for it to load a little bit, and we will see what happens. Okay, so let's just continue and try to get to the home screen. Okay, all this setup stuff we can do later. Okay. Okay, so it's going to ask you to insert your Apple ID. If you don't have one, you can just create a new one, but you are required to insert your Apple ID to proceed. And one major confusion that people have is when they're asking to unlock their phone, they're thinking that it'll unlock the Apple ID, but unfortunately not. Unlocking your Apple ID is something that you cannot bypass if it's locked on the phone. Okay. But anyways, we will proceed to the main screen here. Okay, so it's just going to take a few minutes here to finish setting up. Click agree. Okay, so if we are able to access the home screen with the Rogers SIM card, it's a very good sign. Because once again, if the phone is still locked, it would go back to the screen that says SIM not supported. Okay, so if we can get on the home screen, then we are good. Okay, so it's almost finished loading here. Just give it a few more seconds and let's see what happens. All right, so let's set all this stuff up later. Sometimes it lags a little bit when you're first loading the phone. Okay, set that up later. Siri. Okay, almost there. All right, here we go. Now we're on the home screen now. Before, when we inserted the Rogers SIM card, we weren't even able to get to the screen, but now it's factory unlocked on the back end. We're just going to go to Settings and General and About, and we just want to show you that the network is showing Rogers. Okay, so there's no Cellunlocker SIM we're using, and you know sometimes people are like, "Oh, it's a different phone. You guys are making this up." No, we actually have the same IMEI number. If you want to revert back to that. And let's make a test call and let's verify that the phone is factory unlocked. And there we go. We're able to make a call. And yeah, so if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give us some thumbs up and follow us on the subscribe button. Thank you so much.